What's up, guys? So right here we've got the Kedsum car dollies, and it comes in a set of 4. It'll hold up to 6,000 pounds, so you can use it for a motorcycle or a car. What you see is what you get. This is exactly how it comes out of the packaging. Everything's already assembled, so it saves you that headache. It's a really strong iron construction, very sturdy. It swivels 360 degrees, and each one has 2 brakes. These will hold up to a 305 width tire. The reason I picked these up is in case I pull the motor on the Integra Type R and I need to move the car around, it'll be a lot easier on these dollies. So let's get it set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the brake. There's 2 brakes on each one. So I want more room to work on the wing. So I'm gonna turn the car this way. Let's move the wheel chocks and turn off the brakes. All right, so at this point it should be easy to move here. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. The car is so light that it's really easy to move. Just making sure I'm not hitting anything. And that's it. So I just turned it 90 degrees, no problem, barely any effort. Yeah, this is awesome. Got all the room now to work on the wing. Just lock it in place here. Really easy to use, really good quality. It comes pre-assembled. Yeah, highly recommend these.